Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. These are items that I purchased at scrapbook.com, Joanns, and Michael's. So let's get started. So first of all, from Joanns, they had their acrylic paint tin for $10. So I thought I'd go up and get some colors for some art projects that I have going on. And unbeknownst to me, I didn't know that they didn't have a lot of in stock. So I really didn't see any colors that I really wanted other than these 5. So I only got 5. I got the bright orange, the true blue, and the true red. So great sale, but low in stock on the shelves. And then from Michael's, I just went in to look at their Halloween items and just kind of look around, and I went over to the clearance section and I found these really cute real leather jewelry shapes. So they're actually for making jewelry, but I thought how pretty would these be on a card to use for some texture. So I got this one that has the gold and the brown, and then I got this one that has the long ones with the pink and it's kind of like a rustic gold. So I got 2 of each of those. I can't wait to play around with that. I think they're going to be awesome. And then from scrapbook.com, first of all, I'm going to show you the little freebie they gave me, these clear stackable sponge daubers. They're super cute. They're so tiny, and then but they stack, which is cool. So you know, if you're interested in purchasing more, you can just have them stacked together. I also purchased from Jen Hadfield this I think it's the Avenue collection, and these clips, paper clips. I saw a couple of people haul these and I just thought they were so cute. I just had to have a pack, and it's 18 in a pack. And then I also picked up from that same collection these 30 puffy stickers, and I thought these are really pretty, and they will be looking neat on a card, maybe a fall card this year. But the best thing that I purchased was some new Julie Nutting dolls. So the first one I picked up was Carter and Carly. I was on the fence about picking this up, but I went ahead and purchased it. Not super excited by this one, but let me show you. I did cut out the little doll, stamp her and cut her out, fussy cut her out, which was not the easiest because she is tiny, but it's so cute, so I can't wait to dress her up. And then I cut out Carly. I don't know, once I cut her out, I really didn't like her arm going out to the side like that. So I cut another one out, I stamped and cut another one out, and I just kind of cut it off a little to see how it would look, like she maybe had her arms behind her back. I don't know. I'm on the fence about this one, but we'll see. And then it has the little guy in there, and he's in a actual tire swing. So that's this set. And then I purchased Jayla, super cute, the flower. It says smart and sassy, and also has rise and shine, gorgeous girl, hello sunshine. So she is Jayla, and I did cut her out, stamp and cut her out, and she cuts out really good. Love her hair, so I can't wait to play around with her. That sounded weird. And then I purchased Madeline. So she comes with the little travel thing here, and she has travel girl and her little luggage, and she has a little hat that you can put on her. Super cute. And I did cut her out, stamp and cut her, fussy cut her out. And one other thing sometimes that I do, if my paper is not large enough, I don't worry about it because I know I'm going to use a paper piece, her hair, and then also her shoes. So just using up my paper, even though it's not quite long enough, it doesn't matter. So that's Madeline. Super cute. And then this last one is Ivy. And she is so cute. She comes with the flowers. It says cutie patootie. And then the butterflies. So I really like her, and I especially like the small size she is. And then cut her out, stamped and cut her out, fussy cut her out, so she looks cute too. So that's what I picked up from scrapbook.com, Joann, and Michael. So let me know which one of these is your favorite now. Which one you're thinking is the cutest. I think for me, it's between Jayla and cute little Ivy. I'm not sure. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.